up, guys? It's Ox196, and today I'm with Slater. Come here.
Hello.
And I'll be showing you the dirt bike because now it's not making that sound, which is good. So I'll be riding around the track real quick. I mean, it's not really a track; it's just my backyard. But yeah, yeah.
Wait, no, don't start it.
There's the dirt bike. I hope you guys like that. I'll be doing more moto vlogs. I just got to get my GoPro going. So once I get my GoPro going, I'll do some moto vlogs. I won't be riding on the streets because, as you can tell, it's not street legal. So I'll be going on the back roads. I've already got it up to 6th gear. It's a fast bike. I got it up to maybe 65 when full throttle is 6th gear. So this bike is a really fast bike. But the only problem with it is that the clutch, see how loose it is? It's like really loose. So I'll start it up and show you when I go to ride off, because I'm not even letting out the clutch when I'm not even letting out the clutch. And that starts going without holding in the clutch. So I'll have to get a new clutch probably, or it's just too loose. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.